Mastering business process innovation. Inefficiencies are suffocating our organization, and only radical operational overhaul can save it. What are the current inefficiencies and bottlenecks in our organizational workflows, and how can we leverage operational excellence initiatives to identify, analyze, and eliminate these pain points, thereby streamlining our business processes and improving overall performance? To achieve operational excellence, it is essential to thoroughly analyze and optimize our organizational workflows to eliminate inefficiencies and bottlenecks. This can be achieved by adopting a structured approach to identify, analyze, and eliminate pain points in our business processes. Firstly, we need to map out our current workflows and identify the pain points, inefficiencies, and bottlenecks that hinder our operational efficiency. This can be achieved through a combination of workshops, interviews, and process mapping exercises involving key stakeholders and subject matter experts. The goal is to gain a deep understanding of our current state, including the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT analysis, associated with each process. Once we have a comprehensive understanding of our current workflows, we can proceed to analyze the pain points and inefficiencies identified during the mapping exercise. This involves applying lean principles to identify non-value-added activities, waste, and variability in our processes. This can be achieved by applying tools such as value stream mapping, process mapping, and root cause analysis. The next step is to prioritize the pain points and inefficiencies based on their impact on our business outcomes. This involves evaluating the severity of each issue, its impact on customer satisfaction, revenue, and profitability, as well as the complexity of resolving each issue. By prioritizing the pain points, we can focus our efforts on the most critical areas of improvement. To eliminate the pain points and inefficiencies, we need to design and implement operational excellence initiatives that address the root causes of these issues. This may involve process reengineering, automation, outsourcing, or other interventions aimed at streamlining our workflows, reducing waste, and improving efficiency. We can apply tools such as Kaizen, Six Sigma, or Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, to drive continuous improvement and achieve operational excellence. To ensure sustainability and scalability, it is essential to establish a robust governance structure to oversee the operational excellence initiatives. This involves defining clear roles and responsibilities, establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, and implementing a continuous monitoring and evaluation framework to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. Furthermore, to drive a culture of operational excellence, we need to develop and implement a comprehensive training program that equips our employees with the skills and knowledge required to identify and address pain points and inefficiencies. This involves providing training on lean principles, root cause analysis, and problem-solving methodologies, as well as encouraging a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Finally, to sustain the momentum of our operational excellence initiatives, we need to recognize and reward employees who contribute to process improvements and innovative solutions. This involves establishing a recognition and reward system that encourages employees to identify and address pain points and share best practices across the organization. In conclusion, achieving operational excellence requires a structured approach to identify, analyze, and eliminate pain points and inefficiencies in our organizational workflows. By adopting a combination of lean principles, process mapping, and operational excellence initiatives, we can streamline our business processes, improve overall performance, and drive business success. The pursuit of harmony in business operations. As I sat in the conference room, surrounded by colleagues from various departments, I couldn't help but think of the intricate dance of a symphony orchestra. Each musician, with their unique instrument and role, worked in harmony to create a beautiful, cohesive performance. It was a stark contrast to the discordant notes I was hearing in our own organization. Our company, like many others, had grown through a series of acquisitions and expansions. While this growth had brought many benefits, it had also led to a tangled web of processes, systems, and cultures. As we attempted to harmonize these disparate elements, I realized that the real challenge lay not in the technical aspects, but in the moral fabric of our organization. I recalled a visit to the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, Spain, where I had marveled at the flowing, curvaceous design of the building. As I walked through the galleries, I noticed how each piece of art, unique in its own right, contributed to the overall aesthetic of the museum. It struck me that, just as a masterpiece requires harmony among its components, our organization required a similar synchrony to achieve true operational excellence. My mind wandered to a conversation I had with a colleague from our manufacturing department. He had shared his frustration with the lack of transparency in our production planning process. It was like trying to conduct an orchestra without a score. Each musician played their part, but the overall melody was discordant. We needed a way to synchronize our processes, to create a harmony that would allow us to respond efficiently to changing market demands. We embarked on a journey to redesign our workflows, focusing on the intersections where departments interacted. We established cross-functional teams, bringing together individuals from different backgrounds and expertise to identify pain points and opportunities for improvement. As we delved deeper, we discovered that many inefficiencies stemmed from a lack of understanding and empathy among departments. We introduced a Walk a Mile program, where team members spent time shadowing their colleagues in other departments. This experiential learning sparked a newfound appreciation for the challenges faced by their peers. The empathy and understanding that grew from this exercise helped us to redesign processes that were more considerate of the entire value chain. As we made progress, I sensed a growing sense of unity and cooperation. It was as if we had finally found the right tempo, the right rhythm, that brought our organization into harmony. We were no longer a collection of individuals working in isolation. We were an orchestra, working together to create a masterpiece of operational excellence. The results were tangible: lead times shortened, inventory levels decreased, and customer satisfaction improved. But more importantly, we had created an environment where individuals felt valued, heard, and empowered to contribute to the symphony of our organization. In the end, I realized that the pursuit of operational excellence is not just about streamlining processes, but about creating a harmonious organization where every individual, like every instrument in the orchestra, plays a vital role in the grand symphony of business.